Hello everyone, today we're diving into the realm of YouTube's Incognito mode. Whether you want to enjoy content without affecting your recommendations or maintain a discrete watch history, this tutorial has you covered. Let's explore how to effortlessly enable or disable Incognito mode on your YouTube app. First, open the YouTube application and ensure you're logged into your YouTube account. Head over to the You section, where you'll find your playlists, watch history, and more. Just below your YouTube name and profile picture, spot the Turn on Incognito button. Tap on it to activate Incognito mode. A pop-up message will appear, indicating that your session's activity will be cleared once you turn off Incognito. With Incognito mode on, you can now explore content without leaving a trace on your account. It's perfect for private browsing. Keep in mind the potential visibility mentioned in the pop-up. When you're ready to return to regular browsing, click on the You section again. Tap the Turn off Incognito button. This action clears the activity from your Incognito session. And there you have it, a quick guide to mastering YouTube's Incognito mode. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!